Da, da, da. This time I'll try to approach it as a journey through remembered love, where each line is a small suitcase of emotion, things that she is trying to take back, not because she wants to possess them again, but because she wants to bury them properly. Mera kuch saamaan tumhare paas pada hai. So this is not about books or scarves or purses or props. It's about emotional footprints. What she left behind isn't stuff. It's time, it's scent, it's warmth, the silences. She is not asking for a return. She is asking for her own self back. Oh, saavan ke kuch bheege bheege din rakhe hain. These are not just rainy days. They are soaked memories. She is talking about the kind of rain that clings to your skin and your past. They were likely beautiful, messy, intimate. She doesn't want them lingering in his life. और मेरे एक खत में लिपटी रात पड़ी है. One night, wrapped in a letter. This is one of the most fragile lines. She remembers a whole night encapsulated in the folds of her writing. How beautiful. But not because the letter was romantic, but because that night was alive in it. Maybe it was the night of the goodbye. Maybe not. वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो समान लौटा दो. वो रात बुझा दो, मेरा वो समान लौटा दो. The plea. Extinguish that night. The night of goodbye. Extinguish that night. She doesn't want it back. She wants it to end. And this is not nostalgia. This is a funeral. Shab Khair.